Hello everyone, thanks for joining us for our weekend update and the outlook for next week. And we've got a very frosty weekend on the way for parts of the country, especially the South Island. Two high pressure systems that are merging together right now in the Tasman, and by Friday night tonight they will be one big high crossing over the country, especially over the South Island. The colder southerly change now moving into the North Island, although the upper North Island fairly mild this morning compared to previous mornings, thanks to that northwest flow. So here is the 7-day rain map. This is the next 7 days worth of rain accumulation. And it's actually not too bad. We've got a lot of high pressure coming through. So we've still got some good totals in there, up around 15, 20 millimeters in a number of areas. So that'll be helpful because there are still some areas that are a little bit too dry. But the country is starting to return to normal rainfall wise. But the eastern side of the South Island, the one area that's actually at the very bottom of the scale here, not expecting a lot of rain over the next 7 days. Temperatures tonight, it's a cold one. Frosty weather around the South Island. There could be -5s and 6s tonight through inland areas like around Tekapo and Wanaka and those places. Very cold, but as you can see, the coastal fringes probably just outside the frost zone, or if you do get one, it's likely to be a fairly light one compared to those areas that are further inland. And again, it happens on Saturday night, more frosty weather. So this is how we look on Saturday. You can see that high crossing right over the top of the South Island. To the north, the leftover showers from that cold front are bringing a bit of a wetter day for you, or at least a cloudier one, and it will be colder. So the temperatures do drop everywhere, and those big frosts in the South Island as this big high crosses over us. On Sunday, the high drifts a little bit further out to the east, another cold start around the South Island, and this time maybe the lower North Island, although you can see those showers in the north are stuck around for both days of the weekend. So it'll be a colder, gloomier, wetter weekend in the north. Further south though, on Sunday afternoon or evening, this new subtropical flow starts to drift down. So by Monday, it is a warmer day right across the country. The high is clearing out to the east. It'll be a cold start first thing over here in eastern areas, and then these milder winds come down, and you'll have a warmer than average afternoon on the way. Around the western side, rain starts to move in as well. And as we get into Tuesday of next week, similar setup. Warmer than average over most of the North Island with the subtropical winds. In the South Island, there is a bit of a clearance, but nothing too major. And even when we get to the middle part of next week, we have still got subtropical winds coming down over the North Island. And for the South Island, westerlies blowing through for you with another cold front and another temperature drop. That's all from me. Have a great weekend. We'll see you again on Monday.